Nostalgia Eliminator 1. Trophy run. Joey Trotsky, former champ, right here coming back Budweiser Lane. And Chad Campy, his debut in ANRA 1 in his first ever final round in NE1. Trophy, pitcher with Butch, points lead. Phantom of Joey over here, the traditional dragster, Chad over there. So here we go. Couple of green light starts. That dragster starting to drive away. Chad down there going to lift off that throttle. Wind light says Joey by 13 ten-thousandths of a second. Joey Trotsky was 009.762 for the win. Chad was 28 on the tree, goes dead on 2, and by 13 ten-thousandths of a second, Joey Trotsky, your NE1 champion.